Yesterday we studied the verb ir, so let's do this as a review. Conjugate the verb ir and write the following 4 sentences using the verb ir. Remember there's always an a after this verb, and remember that you can describe a place you're going, an event you're going to, or something you're going to do in the future. Pause the video and try to answer these questions. All right, the conjugation is voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, and van. Remember, it's irregular in all 6 conjugations. Starts with a V and it's conjugated like an AR verb. I go to my friend's party, and that friend is masculine. Yo voy a la fiesta de mi amigo, and that would be an event, the party. Number 2, mis vecinos no van a la iglesia el domingo. That would be a place. Do not go to church. Number 3, tú vas a manejar anoche. That would be a future event. You are going to drive at night. And number 4, nosotras vamos a nadar este verano is also a future event, going to swim this summer. All right, today we are going to study G verbs, and G is one of those categories of irregular verbs. It's the largest one with 9 verbs. And remember, they're called G verbs because you either add a G to the yo conjugation or you change a C to a G in the conjugation for yo. So poner means to put or place, and the yo form is pongo, and then it's a regular ER verb. Salir means to leave or to go out. The yo form is salgo, and the rest are regular IR verb conjugations. Tener is to have. The yo form is tango. It is an E to IE stem changer, and so it is conjugated like a stem changing verb as well. Venir means to come. The yo form is vengo. It is also an E to IE stem changing verb. Caer is to fall, and caigo is the yo form, and there's where you actually add an I and a G. Traer means to bring. The yo form is traigo, where you add an I and a G, and it's an ER verb. Both of those are regular ER verbs. Oír means to hear. The yo form is oígo, where again you're adding an IG. You're also dropping that accent. Remember, oír is also irregular in all other conjugations. The 2 verbs where a C changes to a G is decir, to say or to tell. The yo form is yo digo, and it is also an E to I stem changer. Hacer means to do or to make. The yo form is hago, where the C is changed to a G, and then it's a regular ER verb. All right, look at page 65 and go ahead and attempt to write the irregular yo form for each of these 6 verbs at the top. Underneath it in parentheses, write the definitions, and then those are the only 5 verbs you're going to use in 1 through 15. Figure out what verb would make the most sense and conjugate it appropriately and put it in the blank. Pause the video, complete this on page 65, and then restart it to check your answers. Traer means to bring. The yo form is traigo. Poner means to put or to place, and it's irregular in the yo as pongo. Oír means to hear. It's irregular in the yo as oígo, but remember it's also irregular in all forms. Salir means to leave or to go out. The yo form is salgo, and then it's a regular IR verb. Hacer means to do or to make, and the yo form is hago. Number 1, yo traigo un bracelete de plata de Bolivia para mi amiga. I bring a silver bracelet from Bolivia for my friend. 2, pones tus libros en tu mochila gris. You put your books in your gray backpack. Number 3, nosotros salimos con nuestra familia. We leave or go out with our family. Number 4, I would say that 2 of the verbs might make sense. If you used hacen, it's ustedes hacen unas pizzas. You all, formal, make some pizzas. Or ustedes traen unas pizzas. You all bring some pizzas. Number 5, yo no puedo oír mi maestra porque los estudiantes están hablando. I cannot hear my teacher because the students are talking. This is the case where you use oír in the infinitive form because you are not hearing. It is that the verb you are actually doing is the can or the cannot verb. Number 6, yo traigo mis hermanos a escuela conmigo. I bring my brothers and sisters to school with me. Number 7, a casa, ella oye su mamá habla con su papá. At home, she hears her mom talk with her dad. Number 8, hace mucho calor en el verano. It is very hot in the summer. 9, mis amigos hacen mucho dinero. My friends make a lot of money. Number 10, yo pongo la mesa cerca de las sillas. I put the chair or the table near the chairs. Number 11, nosotros salimos de mi casa a las 7 de la mañana. We leave from my house at 7 a.m. Number 12, ustedes oyen la música típica de Mexico. You all listen to typical music of Mexico. Ana y Elena either hacen su tarea a escuela, they do their homework at school, or Ana y Elena traen su tarea a escuela. They bring their homework to school. Number 14, yo salgo con mis amigos en el fin de la semana. I leave or go out with my friends on the weekend. And number 15, él no hace su composición con la maestra. He does not do his composition with his teacher. Or él no sale su composición con la maestra. He does not leave his composition with his teacher. All right, so let's practice some sentences. You can just do this on scratch paper, or if you're in class, you can do this with a whiteboard. First two, we are going to translate into English. El cocinero hace una torta chocolate para mi cumpleaños. Pause the video and see if you can come up with what that means. The answer is the cook, and that's masculine, makes a chocolate cake for my birthday. Second one, mis hermanos salen nuestra casa a mediodía. Pause the video and see if you can translate that. The answer is my brothers and sisters, or my siblings, leave our house at noon. The third one, now we're going to translate this one into Spanish. I bring my backpack home every day. Every day is not a word we have used yet, but it means all the days. So maybe you can come up with all the days. Pause the video and see if you can come up with that one. The answer is yo traigo mi mochila a casa todos los días. The next one, translated into English again. El doctor pone los instrumentos médicos en la mesa. Pause the video and translate it. The answer is the doctor, which is masculine, puts the medical instruments on the table. And the last one, I hear my teacher speak. Again, put this one into Spanish. Pause the video and see if you can do that. The correct answer is yo oigo mi maestra habla. All right, you can go to Canvas and do the G verbs assignment. It is worth 10 points just using the irregular verbs that happen to be in the G category. And as always, you can go to the PowerPoint and do the flashcard review to review the irregular verbs and their definitions.